5 naked bikes faster than BMW S1000R. BMW S1000R. The BMW S1000R is one of the performance bikes of the German brand. The bike comes with a water-oil-cooled inline 4-cylinder which can produce 165 horsepower of power and can take it to a top speed of 200 kmph, officially claimed, making it one of the fastest naked bikes in the world. MSRP, $17,895. However, there are others in the segment that can beat it in terms of top speed. 5. Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. The Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory is a product of the Italian brand that has been designed to go fast with good control on twisty roads. The bike has a top speed of 249 kmph and is powered by a 175 horsepower V4 engine which produces 120 Nm of peak torque. The base model Tuono V4, $16,199, and the Tuono V4 Factory, $19,599. 4. Triumph Speed 1200RR. The Triumph Speed 1200RR is considered one of the best products in terms of styling, power, and handling. The bike is powered by a 3-cylinder 1160cc liquid-cooled DOHC engine which produces 177 horsepower of power and 124 Nm of torque. This can launch the bike to a top speed of 265 kmph. MSRP, $21,275. 3. KTM 1290 Super Duke R. Following the brand's aggressive styling, the KTM 1290 Super Duke R has been designed for high-speed performance. Supporting the looks is a 1301cc LC8V twin engine which produces 180 horsepower of power and 139 Nm of torque. All of it propels the bike to a top speed of 288 kmph. 2022 KTM 1290 Super Duke R is priced at $19,599. 2. Ducati Street Fighter V4. The Ducati Street Fighter V4 is identified by its red color and carries the Panigale V4 lineage. The bike justifies both these names with its performance supported by a 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale engine which produces 208 horsepower of power and 144 Nm of peak torque. The top speed of the bike is electronically limited to 299 kmph. The base model Street Fighter V4, $22,095, is available in Ducati Red. The S model is available in Ducati Red, $27,595, and Grey Nero, $27,795. 1. MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR. The MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR is another of the marvelous creations of Italian engineering. The bike's styling and power are both enough to fulfill the dreams of an adrenaline junkie bike enthusiast. The bike is powered by a 998cc 4-cylinder engine which produces 208 horsepower of power and 115 Nm of torque. It has a top speed of 299 kmph. MSRP, $33,800.